This is our very first video tutorial about Arduino. So welcome to our channel. This channel is for those who are interested in making Arduino projects. So in this video series we will cover some of the contents. Let me show it. So this is our channel name, Arduino. So this course contains, in the lecture 1 we are going to introduce Arduino Uno. This is in lecture 2 we will cover the IDE part, which is the software part. Actually, IDE is the sort of integrated development environment. This is our software part. This is our hardware part. This is our software part. In lecture 3 we will cover the basics about components that we will use, like breadboards, multimeters, LEDs, diodes, resistors, and many more things that we use. In the next all lectures we will cover the Arduino based programs and circuits from easy to complex level. Okay, this is our course structure of Arduino channel. So we will start with this series. So let me open it. This is our Arduino Uno. So what is Arduino? Arduino is an open source platform used for building electronic projects. Mainly Arduino consists of both. First is a physical programmable circuit board, which often referred to as a microcontroller. This is our physical programmable circuit board, which is consist of a microcontroller. This is microcontroller actually. We will discuss all the main parts which contain in this circuit board later. So first is the hardware part, which is a programmable circuit board and a piece of software or called IDE, which we will discuss in the second lecture, which is software part. IDE that runs on your computer, used to write and upload computer code to the physical board. This is the meaning of this hardware part, and a software which is called as IDE or integrated development environment. So what we will discuss about the Uno board only in this whole series of Arduino. Uno is one of the most popular boards in the Arduino family and a great choice for the beginners also. We will talk about what's on it and what it can do later in the next section of this video. So let us talk about the components in the circuit board. So there are two main pin section. These all from here to here. This is called the digital pins, or called PWM pins. This section is analog section, or this section is a power section. So from 0 to 13 there are digital pins, or we can say D0, D1, D2, D3 up to D13. D0 and 1 pins are for the transmitter and receiver operation, or called serial communication. There are two LEDs also there for transmitter and receiver. This is a serial communication LEDs, we can say. In the 13th pin there is a LED. So this LED is a 13th LED, and a ground and a reference. This A reference is can say analog reference. Most of time you can leave this pin alone. It is sometimes used to set an external reference voltage between 0 to 5 volt. Okay. Now this is the main IC. It is a microcontroller, which is the series in Atmega and produced by the company Atmel, I think. Yes, Atmel is the company. There's some impedance. This is voltage regulator here. This is the supply for a Arduino board for connection with PC with a cable. This is the cable. This is connected with the PC, and this is connected with Arduino board. Okay. For the deal with software and hardware part. And this is an external supply. If now this is analog section from A0 to A5. These pins also known as 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. These are. This is input pin. These two are grounds. A 5 volt and 3.3 volt. There are two supplies. 5 volt for the normal, we put for the LEDs, glow and some other parts, and this 3.3 volt is used for the shades like Wi-Fi. This is usually power on with 3.3 volt almost. Some reset. One thing I forgot. This is a reset button for, and this is our all board. So one thing I want to show you is this. A microcontroller, not microcontroller, this is a programmer for program a microcontroller. This is the port where we connect the microcontroller. This is also a microcontroller. This is same as Arduino, but something less from Arduino. Okay, but this is our main purpose to learn Arduino Uno. Okay. Some more boards are there. There are many types of Arduino boards: Arduino Uno, Lilypad Arduino, Redboard, Arduino Mega, Arduino Leonardo, I think. But in this section we are going to describe only Arduino Uno. Okay, so in the next lecture we will describe about the IDE part. Okay, so thank you, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe this video, subscribe to our channel Arduino. Thank you.